Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving Eve. This is Misty here to do a video on a journal I used I made using Nevermore Creations Christmas Time DigiKit. As most of you know, I am on the design team, and I already did a journal. My first design team project, but I was inspired by a book that I found, and I made another one. Let me move this one out of the way. And so this is the other one that I have made. It is, I believe I said 9. Let me see here. Yeah, 9 by 4.5. And there's 1.5 inch spine on her. She is so pretty. I absolutely love her. I'm trying to situate my camera so that way you can see. There we go. I think I got it. Anyway, she is absolutely beautiful. She has 3 signatures. There's about 100 pages in here. Probably a little more. I did not count them, unfortunately. She is made out of chipboard. She has a bronze. I painted her bronze. I put some of this beautiful lace on here. I just did a muslin binding cover. I can't even think of it. And here is the back. I left it tattered because I absolutely love that. I think it looks good on here. She is full of laces. And she has some charms. I mean, she is so pretty. So, I have her closed with some muslin. I think it just looked good. I liked the way it looked and it felt. So, that's what I did. When you open this, you have this little belly band here, this little pocket, and this gorgeous image of this little girl here. She is so cute, so pretty. Beautiful digi set. Here is one of the digis, one of the pictures, and I just folded her up. That way you can write on the back. She is not distressed. Not everything is distressed or tea-dyed in here, and then, you know, I kind of like it that way. You guys know me. The new and olds it just attracts me, so. Here is a couple journal cards that just sticks right here with under this beautiful lace right here. That is such pretty lace. Over here you have another beautiful picture of a boy dragging a Christmas tree. This little tuck spot, and it says December 25th, and it says Merry Christmas to you. And here's a journal card, and then this here's a little envelope with a journal card on the inside. And it just tucks there. Here is a dangle. There are several of these here, and some have crystals, and some is just the little bells, and it's with a safety pin. Some lace here on the side, some lace trim. And on every page you will find this little angel that was stamped on there. Absolutely, I just love this stamp. So let me pull it up here. And all the pages are tea stained. The book paper is tea stained as well. And then you have this little journal card. It is a Christmas menu. I thought that was so pretty. It's got some lace that is sewed on to the top. And this gorgeous image here. I love that. Absolutely love it. Here's another journal card. An envelope, and it has a couple journal cards in it. And this was tea dyed as well, and it just tucks up underneath here. Let me turn him that way. And this one, this dangle has a snowflake crystal on it. You turn the page, and I love this. I'm going to do more envelopes like this. But this is an envelope. It is tea dyed wax paper. And I just love the way it sounds. You open this, and it's a couple rabbits with a little bird. I love that bird. And again, it's not distressed. but that's okay with me. It is. I love it. And it just slides back in this pocket. Some more journaling. Here's a bookmarker that I made, and I did a ruffled ribbon with a couple flat backs. I really love that. And I love bookmarkers, and I think they're so cool in a journal to keep your place of where you're at. Here is another envelope I stitched by hand. Here is another journal card. And here is another one this is of the boy pulling a wagon with a tree. And I like to say it's his little sister sitting in there. It's really cute. And it tucks in this pocket that's made with lace. Here's a pocket. And it has this little embellishment, little tag in there. And I have a little tab with a little lace there and another dangle. On the other side, there's another pocket and this journal card. Gorgeous, gorgeous images. And a lot more. Look at that. That looks awesome. I'm surprised it turned out like that. I really like that. Some wax paper. This is a pullout. And you have this image here. How amazing is this image? You also have a pocket here, and it flips, and you can write on the back of it. Then you turn the page, and I made this little flower here, and it's on this card here, and it's a tuck spot, and then you have this one here. Love this. Is probably my favorite size of journal. I want to make more like this. I like the other sizes, but I really like this. And it was just a book that I got of nutrition from all kinds of restaurants and stuff, and I was like, I need to make a journal that size. So, and here is another book page that is tea dyed, and you can read, you know, what's written on it. Here is another image under a paper clip. And it's a beautiful image. Beautiful. And you just fold it up and stick it back under the paper clip that I have. That's just got some of this trim on it. It is so pretty. That trim was given to me by my sister. I absolutely love it. You turn the page. And you have some more jingle bells. There's the other side of that image. And that is the first signature. There's 3 signatures in here. This one starts off with a pocket. It's a book page with some cloth. And this image, you have this one and this one tucked in there. I love this one. I love them all, really. But this digi set really just inspired me, so I had to use it. Here's a dangle. It's got a piece of that trim and a little pearl hook to it. Here's another little collage that I did and a couple journal cards. This is a gorgeous image too, and I've got some cards with that image in here. I love the yellows and stuff that goes through this paper. I don't know how it did it, but it did, and it's perfect. Here's another little bookmark I made. It's got trim. It's been sewed on. Some green ribbon, muslin with a deer stamped on it. A little doily with a button. And it's on a book page. Tons of writing space. Here's another pocket there. Pocket there. Pocket there. And I wanted to make sure there was plenty of writing space, but plenty of tucks and pockets and things like that. Here is another bookmarker I stuck in here. I thought this one was really cool. And it's got this red trim going around it, and then some trim here. And if you hear any noise, that's my dude. Some more wax paper. And here is another paper clip. I need to find some more of those. I love those paper clips. You turn the page and you have these gorgeous fox image. And again, it just folds up and slips in, just gives you more writing space. Here's a little pocket that I made. It has some journaling cards in it and a little collage that I did here. I thought it was cool. Here is the last signature, and it's got these two girls hanging up their stockings. Some more dangles. And then you have this fold out, and it is a pocket, and it has this little card. It says, "May Santa Claus bring you a very joyous Christmas." And it slips in there. Tons of writing space. Love the little designs and things that's in this paper. Here's some music sheets. You have this trim and then this ribbon here. I love this ribbon. I need to get more of it. My sister gave it to me. I need to find out where the woman got it. She bought it from a garage sale. Here's a pocket. Some more journaling spots. There's another dangle with a crystal snowflake on it and bells. Here is another book page. Some more wax paper. I love that wax paper. And the end of that signature, it has this little collage thing that I put on here. It's got some lace, and this here is paper ruffles that I did, and it's got a pearl. It's been sewed. And then a little journal card. It can actually slip up here if you wanted to. And there is the other side of the image. This is the full image when it's put together. So it is really, really beautiful. I love the images. I loved how this turned out. And then you just tie it up. And there's plenty of room to grow in this. Oh, if I can tie it. So pretty. I absolutely love this journal. Like I said, it's a new size for me, but I think I like this size. I do. I'm going to make more this size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. The links to Lindsey's YouTube will be down below, her Etsy shop, her Facebook group. All of that will be down below in the description bar. I'm going to be posting this for sale, so if you're interested, the link down below I will have where this will be posted. And all of that fun stuff. So I'm going to end this because my dude won't stay out of things, and I'm done. So I hope you like this. If you did, let me know. Leave a comment below. All the links are below. I thank you guys for watching this. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And until next time, guys, goodbye. God bless. I'll see y'all again soon.